Alright, today I'm going to make some baked ziti. First thing I got to do is grate this cheese. And I'm going to use an attachment because it's easier and it just takes a minute to clean after you're done. This is whole milk mozzarella, by the way. I don't like that low fat stuff. Tastes good. Just store brand. Alright, that's the mozzarella. Now I gotta change the piece and do some Parmesan. Alright, so I cooked the zitis, but they're not all the way done because it's going to get cooked in the oven. So they're cooked, but not like if you were going to eat them. This is ricotta cheese. So the way I do the ricotta is I put in garlic powder for the large size container, 2 eggs, and a lot of parsley, and mix it all around, and that's what this is. So it's not just plain ricotta cheese. This is a Cento brand, and I really like it. You could add sausages to this, you could add whatever you want. I'm just going to make a plain one. I forgot to stir in the Parmesan cheese a minute ago. This will go in the oven on 375, and I don't really pay attention to how long. I just go by when it's done. And then sometimes if I want it, sometimes I'll put it under the broiler to melt the cheese on top. You could make a good homemade sauce, tomato sauce, but this is good right out of the can, just like that. I like it a lot. And it's a time saver. Plus I put all the garlic and all that other stuff in the ragout when I made it. And I'll put this on a cookie sheet in the oven because it's probably going to spill over. And that's it. In the oven it goes. All right, this is ready to come out. Let's see how it worked. Oh. Certainly looks good. That's a beauty. All right, time to give it a try. I'm not going to be able to. It's way hot. There's that. That is an excellent baked ziti. Time to eat.